Hi foodies, welcome to my channel where I show new and innovative recipes. Today we have street style crispy corn snack with a twist. This is one of an outstanding recipe for a quick snack that definitely is a crowd pleaser. Let's get started, come on. You can use fresh, frozen or canned corn kernels. If using frozen, then thaw them to room temperature. These powders will stick to the corn to make them finger-licking delicious. Fresh coriander leaves for the fresh herb flavor. This is such a lovely recipe for any occasion and very quick to put together. I'm using a combination of rice flour and corn flour for the nice and crispy coating they both give to the corn. Once it's all mixed well, you will see each corn kernel coated with both the flours. The detailed recipe is in the description box below, and I have also posted some interesting recipe links, so do check it out. These will not stick together as they are coated well and full of flavor. We will deep fry them in batches on medium-high flame until they are nice, golden and crispy. It takes about 5 minutes for each batch. I am not overcrowding the pan. This will ensure that they don't stick together. We want each corn kernel to be separate. If you like my recipes, then go ahead and click the subscribe button for such yummy recipes I post every week. Wow, look at how awesome and tempting these look. Remove onto a paper towel to drain. Now we will sprinkle some chaat masala as per your choice. There is no measurement for this. Once it's all mixed well, we are ready to serve the yummy crispy corn as a snack for your parties or just as is. Hope you like this recipe, and I'll see you next week with another yummy recipe. Until then, bye.